What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between.
Oh, hi there! Welcome back to another videos. If you are new here, thank you for being here. So for today's video, I will be doing the new normal makeup routine. So I decided to film my new normal makeup routine since yung last upload ko na everyday makeup look is 8 months ago pa ata, and sobrang tagal na. So yung mga products na gagamitin ko guys is lahat siya affordable and available siya local. I'll be linking all the product links down below so you can grab them. Don't worry guys, lahat ng babagitin kong products dito sa video na to is all affordable. So budget friendly pa rin siya kahit nasa pandemic pa rin tayo.
So without further ado, let's hop right into the video.
Kapag mag-makeup kayo, dapat mag-skincare routine muna kayo para mas maganda yung lapat ng makeup sa skin natin. First guys, I recommend you na gumamit kayo ng sunscreen. Huwag nung kakalimutan ng sunscreen nyo talaga. Also guys, kahit walang araw or kahit maulan pa yan or kahit hindi ka lang malabas, girl, sunscreen. So, I'm going to use the Bellocine Expert Tinted Sunscreen, and sobrang ganda nito kasi tinted na nga siya and hindi mo na kailangan maglagay ng foundation or ng BB cream. And ayun guys, kapag lalabas lang ako, gusto ko ng sheer coverage lang. Ayan lang.
Kapag lalabas kasi ako guys, I don't like masyadong heavy yung base ko. I want it to be natural lang.
Pag nagmamadali ako, ito lang yung kailangan kong gamitin. Remember lang ha, always put your sunscreen kasi it's very important to prevent aging kasi ayaw nyo naman natin mag-age agad yung skin nyo by 20 years old, diba? So I believe guys, yung ganitong tinted sunscreen is 300 plus siya sa Watsons, and para sa akin, sobrang pricey niya na kasi nga, diba? So, sunscreen 300 pesos, but it's really good na rin for its price. Pagkatapos ko maglagay ng sunscreen, maglalagay naman ako ng aking blush. So, yung blush na gagamitin ko is itong Detail Cosmetics Velvet Flush in the shade Bow. Sa lids naman guys, ito lang ulit yung gagamitin ko. Pag sa eyes naman, mas ginagawa kong intense yung eye makeup ko. So, dahil nga palagi tayo naka-face mask, mas nag-focus talaga ako sa eye makeup kasi nga, ayun lang yung nakikita, diba? Ayun lang yung hindi natatakpan.
What's good about this velvet flush is it dries down matte and hindi siya dewy finish.
Proceed naman tayo sa paglalagay ko ng kilay, and for my eyebrows, I'll be using the Detail Cosmetics Make It Pro Starter Pen, and sobrang ganda nito guys, as in, sobrang ganda ng formula niya guys. I-fill in ko muna yung mga gaps sa eyebrows ko.
I'm in the shade Brunette dito sa Make It Pro Starter Pen nila. But let's make it natural pa rin guys ha.
Huwag natin masyadong i-overdo yung eyebrows natin.
Brush ko lang uli yung eyebrows ko para mas maging natural yung pigment doon sa eyebrows ko.
Kapag binabrush mo kasi siya, mas nagiging soft yung pigment niya and mas nagiging natural. To tame my brows, I'll be using this brow bar from the Browies. Sobrang sulit nito guys.
Kapag naangat ko na siya, ang gagawin ko naman, kukunin ko tong dulo nitong spoolie, tapos i-roll ko siyang paganyan para dumikit siya sa skin ko.
naman tayo sa eyeliner ko. So, I'll be using this Careline Graph Ink Liner. Ito yung OG na eyeliner ng masa. So, available to guys sa Watson, sa department stores, and even sa Shopee and Lazada. Maglalagay lang ako ng very, very cute na wing sa eyes ko. So, hindi ko siya hahabaan kasi ayoko na masyadong mahaba. I'm going to set my face using a powder, and sobrang favorite ko na powder na ginagamit ko ngayon. And ito yung Dr. Sensitive All Day No Sebum Powder. Sobrang ganda nito guys. Translucent powder siya and may blurring effect siya. Kaya nga sobrang favorite ko to. Kasi set ko ng bonggang-bongga yung face ko para hindi humulas yung nilagay ko sa face ko. So far guys, ito yung pinaka-the best na na-try ko na translucent powder na sobrang affordable lang, may recommend ko sa inyo. So aalisin ko lang yung suot kong lip gloss. Paalala lang guys, kapag gagamit kayo ng kahit anong lip product, make sure na na-prep niyo yung lips nyo, and para hindi siya mag-crack or what, maglalagay na ako ng velvet flush sa lips ko.
So, I'll be finishing this look muna guys, then I'll be right back. This is how I do the new normal makeup routine. So, I really hope you love this video dahil nag-enjoy rin akong gawin tong video na to. So,
if you're interested on those products that I mentioned earlier, I'll be listing all the product links down below so you can check them out. And don't forget to hit me up on my socials and let's be friends. I really hope you enjoy this video.
So, I hope to see you next week. Bye!
Ran into you at the drugstore, you were picking up your prescription. It's funny cause I got addicted to you when we were in love, and even though you broke it